A woman is arrested outside a New Jersey bar. Not inside, not on private property, on the sidewalk. Was the arrest legal?
Knock it off. Stop.
I'm leaving.
Leave. Go.
Get off of me.
Leave. Go.
I'm trying to.
Walk then.
Fuck you, bro.
Yeah, walk.
I'm literally trying to.
Well, go.
God.
Get off the property.
I am off the property.
No, you're not.
The sidewalk's on the property.
Go across the street.
The sidewalk's
Go
on the
across
property.
the street.
Please, I got a headache.
Leave. Leave. Leave.
I'm literally on the sidewalk. I'm not doing anything. I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Are you going to leave or not leave?
I'm literally trying to get a
Are
ride.
you going to leave or not leave?
I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Go across the
Arrest me
street.
then.
All right. You're under arrest.
3 charges were issued: defiant trespass, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. Each one depends on whether the last holds up. That chain is where this case breaks down. Under New Jersey Statute 2C18-3, defiant trespass requires knowing presence in a place where notice against trespass has been given. The statute targets private property, not public rights-of-way. A public sidewalk is a traditional public forum. An officer's verbal order to cross the street is not the legal equivalent of a trespass notice. If the sidewalk is public, the charge fails as a matter of law. The New Jersey Appellate Division held exactly this in State v. Gibson. A street corner arrest was unconstitutional because the area was publicly accessible and no adequate notice was given. This case is directly on point.
For what? What am I under arrest for?
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm.
Give me your arm.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Give me your arm. Put your arm behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm standing here.
Put your arm behind your back.
No, I'm just standing here.
Come on. Stop
What
it.
am I
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
You're under arrest. Stop.
what?
Stop. You're under
What am I
arrest.
under arrest for?
Stop. Stop resisting now.
I'm
Stop.
asking you a question.
Stop. Stop.
Motherfucker.
Stop. Put your arm behind your back.
All I'm asking you.
Stop.
I am asking you a question.
Relax.
What am I under
Relax.
arrest for?
Trespassing now.
For what?
Trespassing.
I offered to leave. How am I under arrest?
Stop. Don't lift up on me.
I'm not.
If you lift up, you're going to go on the floor.
I'm asking you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest for trespassing? Awesome.
Stop.
Stop. Dan, I'm under arrest. I need help. I'm asking you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest? Grab my phone, please.
Let's go.
I honestly don't understand. I literally offered to leave. Oh shit. I'm on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing.
Make a hole, guys.
How is the sidewalk trespassing? Please answer me. Because my act is a fucking
Good.
prosecutor's office. My best friend's a patrol.
When the trespass charge falls, resisting arrest follows. Under New Jersey Statute 2C29-2, a person must submit to arrest even if she believes it is unlawful, and the subject's physical resistance clearly meets the statutory threshold. But in State v. Kane, the court recognized that an unlawful predicate arrest is a mitigating factor. A dismissed trespass charge makes the resisting arrest charge significantly harder to sustain. Disorderly conduct under New Jersey Statute 2C33-2 is the strongest charge. It does not depend on the sidewalk classification. The subject's conduct prior to arrival, lashing out at employees, sustained confrontational behavior may independently satisfy the tumultuous behavior element. One limit, City of Houston versus Hill established that profanity directed at police is protected speech under the First Amendment. Prosecution must isolate physical conduct, not words, to sustain this charge. Use of force is analyzed under Graham versus Connor. The subject actively resisted handcuffing over an extended period. The officer's control techniques were proportionate to that resistance. No excessive force is apparent.
You call them then.
No problem. I'm asking you a question. I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
Told you to leave.
I was on
Told you to go across the street.
I was on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing. I'm on the sidewalk.
You yelling and screaming. Told me to go fuck myself. What else do you want to say?
Actually, no, I didn't.
Oh, it's all on camera.
No problem. No, I didn't. I said I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
You're on the property. This whole block is the property of DJs.
The sidewalk is not property of DJs.
Yes, you're on the driveway.
The sidewalk is public property.
All right, good for you. Then fight that in court.
No problem. The sidewalk is public property. That's not fucking property of DJs. It's on the sidewalk.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I've been doing this a lot longer than you have.
The sidewalk is public property.
And you're being disorderly, all right? So stop.
How
and resisting arrest.
How is that disorderly? How am I fucking resisting arrest? I sat there.
Why you be quiet?
I'm asking you a question.
Why you be quiet?
How was I resisting arrest on the fucking sidewalk? As I sat there on the sidewalk.
Look at the senior cause. Look, everyone's staring at you.
You can sit there and you can fucking gaslight the shit out of me. I'm asking you a question.
Well, I'm not answering.
How did I resist arrest?
I'm done talking to you.
Sitting on the sidewalk and put my hand behind my back.
Keep adding up.
I put my hand behind my back and I fucking, that's resisting arrest?
Yep.
But putting my hands behind my back on the sidewalk?
It's all on camera.
No problem. I'm asking you a simple question.
Well, I already answered.
How putting my hands behind my back is resisting arrest? How? How? No? You don't have an answer for me?
Combative feeling. I didn't want to leave.
That's combative? I put my hands behind my back and I sat there and I said I'm not on the sidewalk. I said I'm on the sidewalk.
Come on.
That's resisting arrest?
You don't obviously you don't listen to directions.
How is that not listening?
And that's why you're
I
coming.
sat there and put my hand behind my back. How is that not listening to directions? How is that possible? Seriously,
Come on,
how?
get in the car.
How is that a question?
Have a good night, all right? Discon, trespass, resisting, noise.
Text me all that. No.
Hey man, step out and I'll get those cuffs off here. You take a step to the side. We're going this door here.
I'm sorry, I literally have a labrum tear in my right shoulder.
And we'll take off and get inside.
I'm fine, cuffed, but in front of me, that's fine, but behind is excruciating.
Okay, they'll be off in just a couple seconds. You can go right in this room here. Yeah, and here, I'll take them off. Alright, just turn around. You can have a seat on that bench. You can sit. Alright?
That's fine.
And then we'll put you in a holding cell just for temporarily, and then you'll make a phone call, have someone come pick you up, okay? Yeah, just need any jewelry. It's on you, earrings, wristlet.
Yeah, well, we should get her in and get him out, or get him in there. M4 got released to his brother, and then Trace still back there. He's pretty banged up.
Thanks. Follow me this way. We'll go down this hallway here.
And
And then if you just say cool, calm as you are, we'll get you out of here as quick as we can, alright? We'll go into the next one, so that way you don't have to... You can go in this one. 1 sec, and I'll grab you. Alright, and then I got a blanket too if you're cold at all, alright? I'll be right back, alright, with the phone. F2.
Be careful, the floor's wet out here, okay? Step over it so it doesn't get on your socks. Straight out. You're gonna make a right as soon as you go through the threshold. right down to the end. You're going to make a right and then a right. Yep. You have a seat on the brown bench there. Female taken from female cells. Here's your property back there. Shoes. Go ahead and order your Uber, and once you do that, then I'll go over everything. Being charged with is purposely cause, recklessly create the risk of public inconvenience, annoyance, or alarm, which is disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespassing. All right, so you have those three charges along with noise and interference with business. They all carry the same court date of 4/8/2025, which is April 8th, 25.
Okay.
All right, it's at 9 o'clock a.m. It's most likely virtual, so contact the court. They'll give you update them with your email and so forth to make sure that you're getting the proper notifications for your court appearance. All right, these are your copies there. You can hang on to those. All right, I just want to verify that you got your phone, wallet, 2 bracelets?
3, yes.
3 bracelets? Just confirm that they're all in there, and
Yes,
2
sir.
earrings?
Yes.
All right, that's all your property that we took from you? All right, I'm just going to have you sign here. Today's date is the 2nd. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Today's date is March 2nd. The time right now is 8:44 p.m. And just sign or print your name, whatever you're comfortable with. And that's just the form stating that you got your property back.
Okay.
That's all that is.
Do I have to say, just listening to them for the last couple of hours, I have my cousin's a state trooper, my best friend and her husband are both cops, my ex is a detective. I am so sorry that you guys have to deal with this shit.
Yeah, this is,
I understand I'm not the best ever, but
Right. Something got you here today, but thank you for being
my
here.
God, it's so much for me to just try to keep my mouth shut. I literally couldn't for so many times.
Well, appreciate your cooperation in the back, and that's just getting you out of here right now. All right. I'm going to walk you out to our lobby.
Yes, sir.
All right, you guys see the lobby. You can wait right outside.
Thank you.
All right, whatever you do, please do
I'm
not
going
go back
home.
to.
I'm not doing anything.
All right.
Thank you.
Be good for the rest of the evening.
Thank you.
All right, good luck at work.